Hello everybody. I guess I'm better late than never. Here's my unboxing of my Influenster Zzzquill box. I really don't have a hard time sleeping, so I'm really happy that they only gave me 2 caplets with a coupon inside. I'm probably gonna pass this along to a family member or a friend because, like I said, I don't have problems sleeping, but this is my unboxing video that I must do for my campaign for Influenster. I got this completely for free for my honest opinion of the product. My honest opinion, I'm sure it works great. It says give yourself 8 hours to sleep. Non-habit forming, so that's good. But I'm a mom of 3, so I have no problem sleeping.